Pakistan meets Italy with chai tiramisu. Are the Italians going to get angry with this one or no?
Oh, 100%.
In some boiling water, let's add black tea, cardamom pods, concentrated cane sugar. And after a few minutes, you can strain your chai.
So we're gonna put some egg yolks with sugar. A lot of people will use alcohol in this. We don't.
So halal mode.
Halal friendly, not certified. Mascarpone cheese. We infused it with saffron.
Cottage cheese, so it's not only a chai tiramisu, it's also a bit of a chai rasmalai tiramisu.
Egg whites. Break the egg whites a little bit. So we're gonna now add the sugar. My grandma always used to say this is the trick on how you know if your whites are whipped. Turn it upside down. If it doesn't fall, successful. Pistachio paste into our saffron-based cream. Put the egg whites into our pistachio saffron cottage cheese cream. I'm starting to lose it at this point.
What are your ancestors going to say right now about this?
No, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. Oh, sorry. Oh, okay. We got our biscuits here, ladyfingers. We're dipping in the chai. We're gonna create a layer of ladyfingers at the bottom. Add our cream, then again, dip our ladyfingers, add it, and repeat it 3 times. Rest in the blast freezer for 15 minutes. So now we're gonna do our topping. Beautiful pistachios, beautiful almonds. Cheers. Not bad.
Okay, that works. You guys never use chai, right?
No, usually we only use coffee.
And if your nonna was here, what would she say?
I think she would give this a try. Why not?
Okay, so she's
Why
a cool
not?
nonna.
I think so.
Out of 10, what is this?
Granted, this was a on-the-fly experiment. 7.5.
7.9, 8.2, yeah, it's about there.
Oh, not
It's
bad.
good, man, it's good.